Cancer, June 21 to July 22. I repeat, Cancer, June 21 to July 22. The Cancerians are represented by a crab. As the animal suggests, they're emotional people, they're very sensitive people, they all the time require a kind of reassurance and counseling for themselves. They tend to be introvert. Therefore, a sign where emotions rule the maximum, very sensitive, very touchy, and they are people who also attract a lot of people towards them due to this quality. The negative quality of a Cancerian would be that they are dangerous in the sense if they catch hold of anything, it could be a person or it could be a kind of object which they have to achieve. Their clutches are very strong. They have dangerous clutches. So this is what is all about Cancer as their characteristics. Now I would move towards talking about Cancer, how the year Cancer would be in July in the year 2013. Again, here I would divide the year till June 2013 and after June 2013, that is till December 2013. Till June 2013, I feel Cancerians would be grappling with issues of high expenses. On the other hand, they would also be a victim of a lot of unconventional thinking they have done. They would also be negating a lot of good things which they had done for themselves till June 2013. On the positive aspect, till June 2013, they would be more going towards spirituality. They would be getting interested with spiritual discourses. They would be going for foreign trips, foreign travels. So till June 2013, I see a little bit of negativity in terms of getting into a shell, getting withdrawn, negation a lot of things. On the other hand, they would be inclined towards spirituality, high expenses and foreign travel. After June 2013, I feel it's an excellent period for the Cancerians because then their whole shift would be on themselves. They would start thinking and planning on how to deal with their future life. They've already had a period where there has been a lot of negation. So now would be the period where they will start planning on how to deal with the next 3 to 4 years for themselves. They will start taking a stock of what has happened in the past, what are the negatives which have happened, how to get rid of them, what are the positives, and the thinking would be positive. They would be imaginative. So from June to December 2013, the Cancerians would start building for the future. And believe me, the next 2 to 3 years for the Cancerians would be good if they start building for a positive future between June to December 2013. Now in the positives, the Cancerians would start planning for themselves on various aspects, and in their planning they would also start working on it, and while starting working on it, they would also do things which would help them in a positive way to achieve their objectives. The things which Cancerians have to be careful in June 2013, in the year 2013, would be relationship with children. The relationship with children is going to be an area of concern. If you have children, I believe you should, that is, a Cancerian should give more time to them. Also, there will be issues with respect to love affairs. I see failures in love affairs, so you should be careful. If there is a failure in a love affair, don't get too emotional about it. You have to lead life, just start dealing with it. So the weak areas would be relationship with children, love affairs and relationships. These are areas where I see negativity. So the best would be to deal with them in a way that they do not affect your future and the years to come.